This is Ganesh Saini, and today's topic based on technical. So today's talk about what is full stack development. Let's get into it. Full stack development. It is the integration between the front end and back end. It's the both thing you develop, then you called a full stack developer or full stack development, in which we see the front end part, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or the Bootstrap, or etc. front end technologies. But in backend, we see the Java, Spring Boot, Python with the Django framework, and that all technology PHP or Python we say, or in between integration, we choose the APIs that integrate between the front end and the back end. But what about the database? So in the storage, when when user integrate with the front end, they store in any activity, they enter that register page, then registration, that name and last name, age, locations, further information about customer or the end user, that all stored in database. That is we call a relational database. There is a MySQL, MongoDB, or extract, that all are etc. all are the databases we use for storing the data. In the backend, when we connect the database in the Java full stack development, we use the Hibernate. Using Hibernate, we directly provide that link of that database, or then front end the database name, password, or the further activities, just like ID, automatically ID choose by the number, or that the primary key, or that we write that in Hibernate. If we can't use Hibernate, that time we used it the that the native querying method. Using native querying method, we directly write that queries to see the database and store the database directly in, or in front end. Firstly, we see the flow of full stack development. So firstly, we gather a requirement of that application, what we needed, what pages we want in that applications. Once the requirements are complete, that time we do the development process. That is, already I said, front end part. We develop the front end part using HTML, CSS. That is the one framework for the Angular and React for the Java developer. We using that framework. We all frameworks for that is the template for that developer to easy development, and the handle of that packages in that is the npm package, and we develop the backend, that is using Spring Boot. And also providing template and predefined methods to using developer develop the faster applications. And for the connection integration, we use APIs to flow of backend to front end to backend. And after that, in the last, we do the deployment. By the deployment, we use AWS, Azure, or Docker, we use that. That is the all flow of that full stack development. So that is today's topic. Thank you very much.